how to sell digital products online with Gumroad. So this is a very easy tutorial. Let's get started. First, in order for you to sell products on Gumroad, you must create an account. You can click login if you have an account already and start selling if you haven't created an account yet. So what we're going to do here is we're going to tap start selling and we're going to create an account here in Gumroad. So as you can see here with Gumroad, anyone can earn or start earning at $1. So you can make your own road, you can sell anything. All you have to do is to simply create an account here and start selling. So actually, Gumroad is ideal if you're looking for a simple, affordable, and versatile platform to start selling products and services online. It's especially beneficial for creators and entrepreneurs who want to focus on their craft while Gumroad takes care of the technical aspects. So this is Gumroad, and you can see these features on the left side. But for this tutorial, let's just focus on how to add product here on your Gumroad account. So if you have your Gumroad account already and you want to sell or start selling, all you have to do is go to products and then add new product. But how are we going to sell or start selling your own product? Let's just say, for example, you wanted to sell PDF or ebook. So let me introduce to you Canva. Canva is a free editing tool. All you have to do is create an account here and you can use its a free version features. So for example, this one, I will be selling start a children's storybook. So it could be ebook, PDF, or it's up to you. But what you get to do here first is you have to create a design for your ebook. For example, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to create ebook cover. So you just have to go to Canva and then go to create a design, search for ebook cover, and you will see tons of designs like this. And all you have to do is to edit some of the word element. If you want to delete some elements here, you can. And if you want to change an object or something here, for example, the title of my book is The Adventure of Benny the Brave Bunny. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to search for a bunny and replace the object or element with bunny. So this is my design. And once you're done, all you have to do is to download this. Okay, make sure that it's PNG. Everything is up to you. You can do better than this, I know. Now, the next thing to do is you have to look for markups. In Canva, you can see some sample markups right here or application for markups. But unfortunately, we cannot look for smart markups. They have removed that one. So alternatively, you can go to other websites and look for sites and websites or tools that offers markup. For example, Flipping. All you have to do is to look for cover or e-cover book and then replace that with your image like this. So this is an example of my ebook cover. Once you're satisfied, download, and that's it. Now, in order for you to start selling, go back to your Gumroad and again, go to products, add your product, and type the name of the product here. So the name of the product is The Adventure of Benny the Brave Bunny. So you can choose digital product, course tutorial, ebook, membership, physical good, commission, call, and whatsoever. But for me, I'd rather choose digital product or ebook. Okay, so I'm gonna choose digital product. It's because our tutorial is all about how to sell digital products online with Gumroad. Let me tap this one and then add a price right here. After I have added a price, then I can now add description to my product. You can also ask ChatGPT for help, or I strongly suggest to create your own description. And then above here, you can see there is this bold, italic, so you can edit format. You can also add a link, insert image, insert something here. So everything is up to you. This is how you add your description or product description here on Gumroad. For example, if you want to promote your social media account, there's also this insert right here where you can promote your Twitter, okay, or add any button. And then you can just simply enter URL here, for example, your Facebook account, or if you have WordPress. And then here for URL, you can just simply add URL right here. You will see if it's available or not. So for example, URL Adventures of Penny, something like that. So After that, you can now add your custom domain if you have, and you can skip this part if you don't have. Now let's move on to cover. So upload images or video. If you don't know the size of your cover, all you have to do is to copy this one, 1280 720px. So you have to go back to Canva because I highly suggest and recommend Canva as your editing tool. Now click custom size, and all you have to do is to paste or enter 1280 for width, and for height is 720. Okay, make sure this one is px, and then create new design. So this is the correct dimension and size for your cover or cover image for your Gumroad. Now all you have to do is to add a picture right here. Okay, if I set this as a background, then it's kind of not so good, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll just have to copy and paste like three pictures, or you can also change the background. Actually, everything is up to you. You can add another image if you want, but for my tutorial, I'm gonna add a color right here, or I can just triple the image. So basically, I know that you can do better than this. Okay, so everything is up to you. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use or try this way. Okay, so once you have added or created your image or cover image using Canva, then what you're going to do here is you just have to simply tap the share button above and then download this. Okay, so this is my cover photo. And then I will go back to Gumroad, upload image from computer files. You can also tap this external link and paste, and then add the image right here. So basically, this is the cover. Okay. So once done, let's go to thumbnail. And don't worry, you can still see the correct dimension and size for that. 600 by 600. So paste or type it right here and then tap create new design. And this is your size or correct dimension for your thumbnail. And all you have to do is to add this picture or create a new picture or new image. And then you can set this as your background, or you can just simply do something like this, same as what I'm doing right now. And I'll just add a background color. And this is my thumbnail. Once you're okay with that, then tap share and then tap download. So basically, this is your thumbnail. It's the same as my cover photo, but different dimension, okay, different size. Now go back to Gumroad, and then this time you have to upload this image, this thumbnail. So what you're going to do is you have to simply upload the thumbnail from your computer. As you can see, it's now processing. And here it is. Okay. Now, once you're done with your thumbnail, and then you can go to product info. So here you can add your product info. You can add call to action. For example, buy this, I want this. So if you tap buy this, then you will get the whole page. You can also get templates or signature from the author, something like that. Everything is up to you. Okay, so once done, and then they can tap this add details right here. For example, you also want to promote the another series, or let's just say the adventure of Benny the Brave Bunny Part 2, something like that version with pricing. So all you have to do is to add details right here. Okay, so let's just say you're selling series, or let's just say this book has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 versions, something like that. Also, you can change settings right here. All you have to do is to toggle on. Show the number of sales of the product. You can toggle this one on. And other things here, everything is up to you. Now let's move on to content. Here you can ask for a rating or a review or comment from those customers who have purchased your digital product. Okay, so you can save that, and then after that you can now publish. And as you can see, we are now on share section. So probably if you want to share this to your Twitter, to your Facebook, you can just simply tap this button right here. Or if you want to copy the URL and then share it to someone, once they click the link, it will take them directly to your The Adventure of Benny the Brave Bunny product. And if they want to purchase this, then all they have to do is to click I want this or buy this, and they will see more information about your product. And all they have to do is to simply pay And for the payment method or section, you can add your payment method. If you want your customer to purchase this through PayPal or credit card, you can just simply change this one, go to settings and change your payment method. And this is what it looks like for checkout. So if this digital product has many versions, then they can also purchase it. So everything is up to you. Now, once they have processed or tapped this, then it will take them directly to the instruction of how they can purchase this digital product. As easy as that. So they just have to open their email address and follow the instruction there. So this is what it looks like. So basically, that's how easy it is to sell digital products online with Gumroad. And as a conclusion, if you're a creator, entrepreneur, or small business owner, Gumroad offers a simple and effective way to sell digital products to a global audience with features tailored for digital goods. It's a hassle-free solution for turning your expertise or creations into revenue. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe and share because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.